Hey there, Bryan from BTECH. I'm going to do something that seems to be easy for me, but it might not be easy for you. I'm in Adobe Acrobat Acrobat by Adobe. It is the paid version. It's not the free reader version. It's Acrobat itself. You can get this through the Adobe Creative Cloud. I'm sure you might still be able to buy certain versions of it that you can install, but this is the constantly updated, always the new version. It's about $29, I think, a month. But what we're gonna do is we've got these separate documents we are going to combine. So I've logged in. You can see by the icon here, and we're gonna hit the create button, and we're gonna do multiple files, and we're gonna combine the files. We're gonna hit next. We're gonna add the files. I've downloaded them to the downloads folder, and I'm just going to open that folder up. And luckily for me, these were set up as covers and pages, so they should be pretty much in order. So what I'm going to do is I'm on a Mac, I'm going to highlight one, highlight the last one, hold shift and click, and add all the files. We see they come in here, and we can kind of see what they're called. So what we'll do is we'll just do, let's see, we'll do the cover is over here at the front, and then like the back cover will be down here. And we got, let's move 4 over here. Let's move 7 after 6, 8, 9, 5 will go before 6. And then this is like the inside of the cover. So cover this, and then 4, let's see, 1, 2, I guess we might be missing 3, but 4, 5, 6, this other one, 7, 8, 9, and the back. This is like a brochure for a karate tournament. So we're just gonna hit combine on this. It does create it as these binders. So let's take a look at it. We get this. Get some intro, that's good. The prizes. The prize money. We got junior black belt, adult black belt. Under belt divisions, that seems all in order. The trophies. Grands championships in the back. This all looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to want to save this as a PDF. Always good to save as PDF because a lot of people don't have like Word. So I'm going to hit desktop here. I'm going to change this to OSGN 26 brochure, because that's basically what it is. And then that's all there is to that. That's how you use Adobe Acrobat to combine forms. You could even do like Word documents if you have them, or pages, just to put them back through and combine them into one document. If this helped you, please give me a like and subscribe, and let me know. Till next time.